So that's the end of our playlist on the calculus of variations. We covered the first two chapters of this book, an introduction to the calculus of variations by Charles Fox. Now I will be writing up all the notes of the playlist. I've already got most of them here, so what I'll do is I'll write them up first of all in just in my own handwriting. Okay, so it's just all the notes that I've generated through the playlist. Okay, so all of those will be written up and I'll just save them to a PDF and I'll put them online at the bottom of each of the videos, and I'll probably at some point go on and actually tighten them up properly, but I'll not do that just now because we want to do other things. There's other courses we want to get covered. So I hope you enjoyed the course. I hope it was of use to you. I will be covering the rest of the book, but not in this playlist because there's going to be quite a few more videos to come. But I'm going to be stopping the calculus of variations now, and there's another topic I'm going to be starting. But we will be coming back to the calculus of variations because I haven't covered everything that I want to cover on it. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video series, then don't forget to subscribe. Or if you're watching this video and you're thinking, what's this guy talking about? Then there is a video series in the calculus of variations. It's just up here right now, so you can go online and you can go and have a look at that. I promise you it's really, really interesting. Okay, thank you and goodbye.